In this video, I'll show you how to upload bills in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to click on the third option, which is Purchases. Now, under Purchases, head over to the second option and click on Bills. And once you were on the Bills section, head over to the top and right corner. From here, you want to click on the green button for a new bill. And once you were on the new bill section, head over to the second option and click on Upload Bills. Once you do that, you'll be asked to drag and drop your bill. So at the bottom, simply click on Select Files. That will open your Files section, and from here, you just want to simply add your bill. Now, once you have uploaded your bill, you can add more into it, and at the bottom, it will automatically show the exact title of that bill. Once you're done, head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on Upload. Now, once you upload your bill, it will say that it is being created and it will appear in your draft bills once it is ready. Now, if you click on the drop down in here, it will automatically say that it is a successful upload. And if you head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on Close, at the top, a banner will show saying new bills are being created and will appear when complete, and you refresh the page. So at the bottom in the right corner, if we click on refresh and head over to the draft section, which is the second tab at the top, you will automatically see the exact bill in which we have uploaded. It is set as no contact. If you click on that bill, you will see its reference, which is on the left-hand side. And from here, you just want to add the exact details in order for it to match your accounts. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.